So yeah, I got my hands on 10 Gundam gummy packs, and I thought it would be nice to open them with you guys. They are gummies that look like runners. There's 2 covers, but they contain the same number of cards. Here it says there's 30 possible cards with 3 additional rare ones for a total of 33 cards to collect. The lineup is on the back with all the names. The 5 ones are holo cards, and the green ones are metallic cards. The 5 metallic cards are Calibarn, Strike Freedom Gundam, God Gundam, Nightgill, and Gundam 2.0. I think this is the RX-78. These Gatchapon Ones are from the Mochiboke, Waiting for You Volume 2 selection with 4 possible Gundam figures. There's a whole ton of these Waiting for You Gachapon from other series, animals, food, and even themselves. Let's open everything up and see what we got. Let's open our first packet. And we get an arm in the Gummy Runner. This says Xeon, so maybe a Saku arm. Let's see the card. Mjorn Rembrandt from Witch of Mercury. Alright, not a bad start. And on the back there's some information on her. We'll put this right here. Packet number 2. A set of gummy weapons. These say Sha Saku, Saku's axe, and bazooka. And for the card, Gundam Aerial revealed. Nice. Packet number 3. Nice. The RX-78-2 Gummy Headrunner. Looking really good. For the card, how fitting. Came with the RX-78-2 Perfect Grade Unleashed card. Packet number 4. Another Saku arm. As for the card, the 00 Quant. Has a very nice metallic background. Packet number 5. This is cool. The new Gundam fin funnels. Got the G-Fighter MG cover art card. Very nice. Halfway there. Packet number 6. Another cool gummy, the SDRX-78-2. The beefy Jag Doga. Lucky number 7. Another new fin funnels. Unicorn Gundam Banshee in full cycle frame. Still no holos though. Packet number 8. Another Saku weapon set. I think we finally got one. We did. Version 2.0. Nice and shiny beam saber. Packet number 9. Saku head gummy, very cool. The Gelgoog Menace from Destiny Seed Freedom. I still don't have a Gelgoog. I do need to get one. Down to our last pack, number 10. Don't want to jinx it, but so far we've gotten unique cards. Third Saku Gummy weapon set. Okay. Final card. Master Gundam and Fu Psyche. Backside. I have this kit here actually. But no Fu Psyche. All 10 packs and no duplicates. That went really well. Feel like getting more and finishing the set. Well, if I do see more, we can do another pack opening. And for the bonus, the Gatchapon. Again, these are from the Waiting For You lineup with 4 possible combinations. Let's see what we got. We got Sha's Seagok. Out of all 4, I wanted this one, so I'm happy. Nice color and nicely detailed. Second one, we got the Strike Freedom Gundam. Super cool. Again, I'm very impressed by the level of detail. These were 400 yen each. I want that Dom next. Let's give these a try. They are delicious. That was good. I feel like I'm gonna get the rest of these, collect them, and that means eat more gummies too. If you want to see me get all of them, let me know and we'll open more packs and get these guys as well. All the unique gummies we got. You guys saw me eating this one earlier. Well, I'll keep eating these gummies and I'll see you guys on the next one.